Quick run through of installing Blender 5.0 to macOS. So of course we need to go to blender.org first. Click on the download button. Download Blender 5.0. And a note here, Blender 5.0 is not available for Intel-based Macs. So any legacy Mac that uses an Intel CPU, Blender 5.0 isn't available. So all we've got is Apple Silicon. So click on Download Blender. That will download the file. If this is the first time downloading, a file warning pop-up will appear. Just OK to that or allow, and the download will continue. Once done, double-click. And then drag blender.app into the applications folder. And then what we should find is if we double click the applications folder, the shortcut in applications, Blender. So if we want to install multiple versions at some point in the future, we can rename. So just click, slow click, 5.0.app, return. Double click, another warning, this time for the app itself, open. If this is the first time Blender has been used, we'll get the options set up. All we need to do here mainly is set the mouse left or right and or the language. So let's set that to English in this instance. And for legacy purposes, we'll use the right click. Continue. That'll give us the standard launcher. Click anywhere. And there is Blender ready to use.